Question 1. Find the BHP of an engine to drive a 373 kVA, 215.36 V three-phase alternator at full load. If the alternator has an efficiency of 80% at a power factor of 0.5 lagging, also find the full load current of the generating set. Hello listeners. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of alternators and engines. Let's solve a real-world problem together. Imagine you have an alternator. This isn't just any alternator. It's a three-phase one with a rating of 373 kVA and operates at 215.36 volts. Now, if someone tells you that this alternator is 80% efficient and works at a lagging power factor of 0.5, could you determine the brake horsepower, or BHP, of the engine driving it? And what about the full load current of the generating set? Let's break it down step by step. BHP equals kVA multiplied by 1000, multiplied by the power factor, all divided by the product of efficiency and 746. Plugging in our values, we get BHP equals 312.06. Next, for the full load current, the formula is current equals kVA multiplied by 1000, divided by the product of the square root of 3 and the voltage. Using our known values, the current comes out to be approximately 1000 amperes.